What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Hang on, I gotta get a drink.
I'm gonna get me a beer.
Everything's more fun with a drink. Well, not really. I'm not an alcoholic. But this quarantine life, you need a drink. Okay, so seriously though, I wanted to make a video for you guys for some simple meal ideas. I know the grocery stores are a little bit crazy right now. You're probably limited on what you can find. So I promise this, oh my gosh, this meal only takes like 4, maybe 6 ingredients. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so first up, you need any type of kielbasa or like smoked sausage or whatever. So we're using the Oscar Mayer smoked turkey sausage. You need any type of vegetable. I like using Brussels sprouts because the glaze that we're gonna put on top is really good with roasted Brussels sprouts. But you can use any vegetable you want. So any type of kielbasa, vegetable, rice. I really like this Seeds of Change quinoa and brown rice because it has like a garlic flavor in it, so I feel like it's more flavorful than like a regular brown rice. So those are like your main ingredients. So really you only need 3 main ingredients: a protein, a vegetable, and rice. You could do rice, potato, or even cauliflower rice. So to season, all you're gonna need is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then later for your topping, for your roasted vegetables or whatever you choose to put in this bowl, you're gonna need balsamic vinegar and honey. This is what makes it so good, but we'll come back to this later. So first step, cut up your kielbasa, cut up your sausage, whatever it is that you're using. Then, since we have frozen vegetables, because that's all the store had, should I cook these first and then put it on the pan, or should I put the frozen vegetables on the pan?
I honestly don't know. I'd cook them first.
Okay,
or
so
maybe halfway cook.
We're gonna halfway cook the frozen vegetables in the microwave. If you have fresh vegetables, just go ahead and drizzle them with olive oil, salt, pepper, put them on the pan. Matt, you're doing such a great job.
I know.
Chef Matt, where's your apron and your hat?
Aunt Cambrie's birthday.
Oh. So I'm trying these new, well, I guess they're not new, they've been around, but it looks like a new flavor, the Cape Line drinks. I really like the margarita and the blackberry mojito. This one is white peach sangria. It's pretty dang good. Okay, so these were in the microwave for about a minute. They feel a little thawed. They're so teeny tiny. Look how teeny tiny. So putting the Brussels sprouts into a bowl. Normally I would slice them in half, but since they're frozen, I'm not. And all I'm gonna do, oops, I'm spilling, some avocado oil, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. We go through so much garlic powder. Whoop!
That's why.
What?
That's why we go through it.
You can never have too much. Okay, so then you're gonna just mix her up. Mix it together real good. And I have the oven set to 425, and you're gonna roast all this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so then you're gonna take your baking sheet with your foil or parchment paper or whatever. Make sure you spray it. Make sure you spray it because I have forgotten to spray it before and then everything sticks at the end. So it's like a one pan bake pretty much. I think normally maybe I split it between 2. But today, since, you know, it's a little difficult out there in the world, we're gonna make this super easy and you're just gonna use one pan and
That's that.
cleanup's gonna be really easy. Yeah, I normally don't do it this way, but hey, it's a new way. It's a new way to cook. We'll see how this turns out. It's gonna be delicious. It's super healthy and it's really flavorful. We are going to put this into the oven at 425. And check it at 20 minutes. We'll see what it looks like then. And if it needs a couple more minutes, then feel free to add more time. Now we wait. Cheers.
What are you doing?
Hi, baby. Oh, you're so handsome. Oh, it's beautiful out here.
Get him, get him, get him! Wow, Bentley.
How majestic. Okay, while we're waiting on that, I am going to make the sauce that we're going to drizzle on top of the Brussels sprouts. This is just balsamic and honey, and then you just mix it together. They are ready, so I'm going to take them out of the oven. You can just hear them scream. Look how crispy they are on the bottom. Yum. Ooh, hot. They're all like that on the bottom, and that's how your sausage will be too. So what I did was I actually cooked it for 20 minutes at 425, and then for the last 5 minutes, ooh, hot, I broiled it. We're gonna add the mixture of the balsamic and the honey, and it was so easy. Like, that probably took us 25 minutes. All you're gonna do is you are going to take your bowls and you're gonna layer some rice, Brussels sprouts, and then your sausage. And that's it. So easy, so cheap. Cleanup is easy. So I hope this helps you with some quarantine meal ideas. If you make it, let me know. And if you have any recipes for us to try, please let us know down in the comments. If you haven't already, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks y'all so much for watching. Bye.